Crystal waters beckon as you plan your journey from the enchanting island of Bora Bora to the diverse landscapes of Hawaii. But how will you traverse the vast Pacific to reach your tropical haven? The clock ticks differently over the ocean's expanse, with travel times ranging from a swift 6 hours to a leisurely 12. Your choice of transport shapes your adventure's tempo. Air travel reigns as the swiftest path, with flights clocking in at about 5 to 6 hours. Airlines like Air TAHITI Nui, Hawaiian Airlines, and United Airlines offer wings across the sea. While economy seats promise savings, business and first class indulge with luxury. Think gourmet meals above the clouds. For those who favor the journey as much as the destination, cruising offers a 10 to 12-day voyage. Carnival Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean unfurl sails for a slower pace, where the price includes more than just travel. It's entertainment, dining, and the serenity of the sea. Seeking solitude? A private yacht charter carves a personal path through the waves. Tailor your itinerary, embrace the privacy, and indulge in the luxury of a vessel all your own, though the opulence comes with a price. Whether by air, sea, or private charter, each route to Hawaii from Bora Bora presents its own tapestry of pros and cons. Budget, preference, and the allure of the Pacific's beauty will guide your choice. But one thing is certain: adventure awaits on both islands, each with a unique culture and community ready to welcome you. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventures.